So this challenge is very similar to the previous one, except two minor changes. The first one is that now we want to read the numbers from the user, to read the digits instead of just initializing this array that we've created previously. You already know how you can do it, right? Simply by declaring an array of size, let's say 7, as we've done previously, and then just using the input function to read every digit from the user and put it inside this array. And also another change is that instead of finding the maximum value like we've done in the previous challenge, we are going to find and print the index, the actual location of the maximum value in this given array. So we are not interested in the value itself, like in this example is just 9, but rather we are interested in its location, where it resides within this array, its index, which in this case will be just 4, right? The index of the maximum value is 9, but its index is just 4. So once again, previously we found out the maximum value, and now we want to print out to the screen the index of that value. A similar exercise with the digits from your phone number, except for the two changes we've just added. So let's give it a try, shall we?